Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. And click the bell notification, and please leave a comment on the video. It helps me out a ton. All right, today we have a Chipotle Salsa. And if I said Chipotle wrong, I don't care. It's real easy to do, and a perfect snack for this time of year with football coming to an end. First, what we need to do is get a half a cup of roughly chopped red onions, followed by a half a cup of cilantro, a teaspoon of minced garlic. Then add a drained 14-ounce can of fire-roasted tomatoes. And then you want to add at least 2 chipotle peppers, more if you obviously want this a little spicier. And then at least 2 teaspoons of adobo sauce. Then the juice of half a lime. And then salt and pepper. And then just blend this till everything is nice and pureed together. After at most a minute of blending, you should be ready to pour it into a serving bowl. And that's it. You have salsa for the whole game. So that's Chipotle Salsa. Done. Oh, one last note. As always, this is a good recipe for kids because, again, nothing really has to be cooked. And they can even turn on the blender. All right. Chipotle Salsa. Done.